Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you all a very important topic, that is insects. Now, children, do you all know insects? Yes? Okay. Teacher will tell you all more about insects. Insects are creatures which have more than 5 to 6 legs. They have wings to fly. They can crawl anywhere they like. They have a pair of antennae on the top of their head. Antenna means feelers. We all have sense organs, isn't it? We have eyes, nose, ears, skin, tongue, isn't it? So, these insects have two antennas, with the help of which they can see, they can feel. So, there are many kinds of insects around us, and we are going to learn and know more about them. So, let's start. Children, did you recognize this insect? Yes? Okay, this is an ant. An ant are always found in red and black color. They have 6 legs and 2 antennae which is joined to their head. You all have seen this housefly everywhere? Yes? In the house, in school, in the market, right? Because they always live on dirty and decaying materials. It is black and white in color. And housefly also has 4 legs. Oh, now which insect is this? Yes, this is a cockroach. And cockroach are seen in the kitchen. When mummy is cooking something, a cockroach comes and sits on the kitchen table. Have you all seen it? Yes. Okay. So, cockroaches are found under the furnitures. And they are brown in color. They also have 6 legs. They have 2 long antennas which are like a thread. Children, this is a mosquito. Mosquitoes are found everywhere. They are found in garbages, dirty places, water. They are also found in kitchen. And whenever we are sitting quietly, something comes and bites us, isn't it? And we do not know, we keep on searching where it is. But it is the mosquito which comes slowly and it bites. And after biting, what it does, it sucks blood from our body and it drinks it as its meal. So, mosquitoes are very harmful insect. This is a busy bee. It is also called as honeybee. Children, do you all know why it is called busy bee and honeybee? Okay, I'll tell you all. This insect is always busy working, okay? It is busy collecting juices from different scented flowers, okay, to make honey. You all have eaten sweet honey, isn't it? Shahad, you all know? Shahad. Yes. This honey is collected in the beehive. This is a grasshopper. It is found in grasses always. It is a long insect which is green in color. It has 2 pairs of wings mouth to chew, and 2 long legs for jumping on the grass. This is a spider. Yes, Incy Wincy spider. A spider has 8 legs. And this creature do not move around in the same way as insects do. They make big webs in dusty places. So, children, this was all about insect topic. Did you like it? Yes? Okay. Thanks for watching.